In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error message that says the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7, especially on HP PCs and laptops. First, press Shift plus F10. On some laptops, use Shift plus Fn plus F10. When command prompt opens, type regedit and press Enter. Now go to HKey Local Machine, System, Setup, Status, and Child Completion. On the right side, double-click on setup.exe and change the value to 3, then click OK to save the changes. Finally, click OK on the error message and let your PC restart. Windows should continue installing normally.